Alright guys, welcome back. It's November 13th, and today we're going to work on 2-6, subtracting decimals. My notebook, this can be found on page 33. Remember, this is wherever it is in your notebook. So if you need to go ahead and pause right here and get your table of contents updated, you can do that, and then join us on page 33. Today we're going to work on lesson 2-6, which is subtracting decimals. You guys can find it on page 46 and 47. The first thing we need to look at is our essential question. How can you subtract decimals? Now think about that for a second. How do you subtract money? Because money and decimals are very similar. Adding and subtracting multi-digit decimals is similar to adding or subtracting multi-digit whole numbers. So we're going to do it the same way we subtract whole numbers, and then we're going to use what we learned last week and add in decimals and make sure our place values are lined up, and we bring down our decimal point into our difference. So today I'm going to do two examples from guided practice. So I'll do number 2 and I'll do number 4. So for number 2 we have 7 and 21/100 minus 6 and 1/10. First thing I need to do is make sure that my place values are lined up. Then I need to find a placeholder because we want to turn 6 and 1/10 into 6 and 10/100 because that's the equivalent decimal. And then we're just going to subtract after we bring down our decimal place. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1 and 11/100 would be our final answer. The next problem we're going to do is number 4 and guided practice, and we're going to subtract money. So we're going to have $4.08 minus $2.12. What I would like you guys to do here is go ahead and pause the video, work out the problem, and then after you worked out the problem, use the video to check your answer. So the first thing we need to do is the first thing I need to do is make sure I bring down my decimal point. Then I will do 8 minus 2 is 6. Well, 0 minus 1, we can't do that, so I have to borrow from the 4, so 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 3 minus 2 is 1. So my final answer would be $1.96. We need to make sure we bring down the dollar sign if we're using money to our final answer. Okay, so what I would like you guys to do on your own today is guided practice. On page 46. And you guys will do number 1 through 11 odd. Sorry about that. You guys will do 1 through 11 odd. Then after you do that, you need to have Miss Russell or myself check your work. And then you guys will do independent practice. On page 47. And let's do all of them today. So let's do 12 through 27. While you guys are working on your work today, I will call you guys up to check your math notebook and to go over math rights from last week that you guys did for a grade, okay? Secondly, we need to make sure that we're showing our work. And this is the proper way that Miss Russell or I would like to see your work. We do not just want only the answers. Okay? All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in.